Guys, good morning. This is Captain A3A once again with another aircraft review. This time, TAP Portugal AIRBUS A340-300 in the 1/100 scale by Skymarks. Now, TAP Portugal is a member of Star Alliance, and is one of the largest alliances for the airlines. Give you a nice view of the A340, and I'll give you a tour of the aircraft, starting with the PO tubes and stack ports and the cockpit window and windshield wipers. TAP Portugal is one of Portugal's oldest airliners. The L1 door, Air Portugal, and the 4 Rolls-Royce turbofan engines come along the wings. And the registration of this aircraft, CS-TOD, Charlie Sierra Tango Oscar Delta, is the code of this aircraft. You can see the code right there. I don't know if you can see it clearly. Taking it back to the APU and the horizontal stabilizers. Right there. Very nice view. Now onto the port and starboard side of the aircraft. The TAP livery. The registration of this aircraft come on the wings up towards first class and the galley section and the cockpit. This aircraft in particular could see around about 340 passengers and crew. From flights from Lisbon to New York JFK, Newark Liberty International, Washington Dulles, Chicago O'Hare, Boston Logan, Los Angeles International Airport, Sao Paulo, Brazil, Buenos Aires, Argentina, Medellin, Colombia, and Bogota. TAP Portugal was formed around in the 1950s. They flew a number of different aircraft throughout their history. That include the Airbus A300, the 747, the L1011 TriStar, and the Airbus A320, and which now TAP Portugal flies both the A330 and the A340 from Lisbon to New York JFK, Newark Liberty International, and they have destinations in Europe as well. So that's it for this review of TAP Portugal. I hope you enjoyed this review, and give you a bird's eye view, and that's it. This video will be posted to YouTube, and like always, like, comment, subscribe. And until next time, this is Captain A3A signing off for now. Until then, have a great day.